Hi guys, I'm so excited to share this recipe with y'all. It's one of my favorite breakfasts ever. So I randomly just came up with this recipe. For this we'll first make a sauce. So basically I have chopped up a couple of green chilies. To that I added 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. Now we're gonna whisk this really well and we'll leave this aside for around 20 to 30 minutes. Now in a pan, I am gonna add a tablespoon of oil, and to that I'm gonna add some finely chopped garlic, about 5 pods. Like I had really small garlic, so I added 5 pods. So you can always, if you have a larger pod, you can add around 4. Now once the aroma of the garlic is released, we're gonna add our onions. So I've chopped up 1 onion. Add that. So we're gonna cook this on high flame here on. So one day I randomly made this recipe and it turned out to be really good, and after that it's become a staple food. So like we will stir the onions till they become golden brown. You can add any vegetables to this, like broccoli. So today I just had some mushrooms, spinach and red bell pepper, so I'm adding those. So now I'm adding around 200 grams of chopped up mushrooms. Now we'll let the mushrooms sweat. So cook it on high flame. Keep stirring occasionally. So this is what we're looking at. Now at this stage we can add in our baby spinach. If you can't find baby spinach, just chop up our regular spinach and add it. Now again keep it on high flame. Now here we're going to cook this very carefully. So as soon as the spinach softens a bit, we will add our red bell pepper. So keep an eye on it constantly. This is what we need. Now we'll add our red bell pepper and the sauce which we prepared earlier. These green chilies are gonna be so amazing in this dish. As soon as you bite into your omelette and get a bite of these green chilies, you all are gonna thank me. So now we'll turn off the stove. And after turning off the stove, we will add our salt, because otherwise our vegetables start becoming very watery. So I've turned off the stove now and I'm adding salt to taste. Just a little bit. Make sure that you add less because already soy sauce is very salty. Now we have 3 eggs here, or you can always use 2 eggs if you have larger eggs. So I added some salt, add some pepper and 2 tablespoons of milk. Now quickly whisk this up. Whisk, 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 whisk away. Now to a flat pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter, half a tablespoon of butter. Just spread it all over. Now the pan is on high heat. So once the butter starts bubbling, keep it at low heat. Very important. And then we'll pour in our egg. Now take your fork and slightly keep whisking, but because it's a non-stick pan, make sure you don't touch the pan, just on top of the egg, like you should be hovering over the pan. So I'm doing this because we're not going to flip the omelette, so I want all parts of the omelette to be cooked. Okay, so now take a lid and cover this. And keep checking because it hardly takes a few seconds till it's ready. So take a sharp spatula and let's check if our egg is coming off the pan. So as you can see, it's easily slipping off the pan. And at this point I will be adding my filling inside. So just place it somewhat at center. Now take your spatula and gently take the eggs off the sides of the pan and flip it. And if you can, flip it one more time, or you can always flip the other side and cover this side gently. So as you can see, there's hardly any brown parts on the egg. This is what we're looking at. Now flip it onto a plate, and there you go. You have your amazing omelette ready. And this is literally my favorite breakfast. You can't believe how much I love this. I'm sprinkling some freshly ground pepper over it. Then I'm just gonna garnish it with some leftover mixture which we made. So this mixture makes about 6 eggs, and you can always store it in the refrigerator and use it within 2 days. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love this so much. Hope you all like this video. Share and subscribe. Bye.